ofisa inyalo biro ma ijas kanyo.
Jadolo mar kanisa jokopere bade Manyeri Anthony Muheria bende koro wuok oko mar kwedo ng'eto mar doho manyocho yango ni en ataro mar chik mondo tam kweth matimoere kind chwech machal ndikore kaka riwruok mopuodhi gi piny owacho. Muheria wacho ni kanisa ok nyal yie kod ng'eto makamano.
Let's empower our parents. Let the parents be engaged in this children education. And so now again, the more recent issue that has come about the ruling of the Supreme Court, association is an issue that we cannot challenge. However, if the people who are ex-convicts are associating in order to go back into crime, if the people who have associated are with the plan of doing something that is criminal and evil, then we must call out the criminal association as criminal association, or the evil association as evil association. Therefore, when as the court ruling says that those persons with these inclinations may associate, basically what that means is that perhaps it would be also a way for them and us to address them, to work with them as human persons, because we welcome them into our society. They are brothers and sisters with certain inclinations. Some of them, and I would say most of them, without any part on their part that has made them be that way. However, the actions of homosexuality can never be acceptable. They are evil. Therefore, if this association is so as to spread, popularize, and bring about more and more people into this kind of actions and behavior, then we call it out as evil and must be addressed as so.